Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this Spot Clean Pro, and oh man, does it work. This spot clean machine is amazing. As you can see, our carpet is super soiled. It has a lot of dirt and stuff that the kids were playing with. But if you notice where I vacuumed, the area that I didn't vacuum, it is a huge difference. My kids are always making messes on the carpet. There's a spot here, there's a spot there, there's spots everywhere. So if you are either a messy person or if you have messy little children, I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.